To get started, gather 2 cups of Greek yogurt. Plain or vanilla, your choice. The Greek yogurt is essential here. It's thick, creamy, and packed with protein. Next, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. This is where you control the sweetness. If you're using plain yogurt, consider adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract for a hint of flavor. Once you've combined these ingredients in a medium bowl, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This is a crucial step to ensure a non-stick surface for your bark. Now, spread your sweetened yogurt mixture onto the baking sheet, aiming for a layer about 1/4 inch thick. Now comes the fun part: toppings. Sprinkle half a cup of mixed berries, 1/4 cup of mixed nuts, and optional additions like shredded coconut or dark chocolate chips over the yogurt. Lightly press them down to ensure they stick. A pinch of sea salt can also be added to enhance the flavors. Then slide your creation into the freezer. Patience is key here. Wait at least 4 hours, or until the yogurt bark is fully set and firm. Once it's ready, break it into pieces. You can enjoy it immediately or store it in an airtight container in the freezer for later. This frozen yogurt bark is more than just a tasty treat. It's a source of protein from the Greek yogurt, contains antioxidants from the berries, and healthy fats from the nuts. Plus, it's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without reaching for unhealthy options. Feel free to experiment with different toppings. Perhaps you fancy a swirl of peanut butter or a sprinkle of seeds. Remember, the choice of yogurt can also make a difference. Greek yogurt is a favorite for its thickness and higher protein content, but if you prefer a different type, go for it. Just keep in mind that thinner yogurts may take longer to freeze and might not be as firm. This is the perfect treat that's not just delicious, but beneficial for your health too. Don't forget to share your creations and any unique twists you add. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Please like and subscribe to help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.